Hi everybody! For those of you who have subscribed to my Natural Crafts channel, I'm adding in some of my natural recipes. They are phenomenal and really easy to make. Who doesn't love homemade pasta sauce? But this way it's no mess and you can have it done in minutes. All you need are tomatoes, basil, garlic, salt, pepper, oil, and a parchment paper with a baking tray. So the first thing is just line that baking tray with parchment paper and then cut your tomatoes in half. I like to use Roma tomatoes because they have very few seeds, but you can use any tomatoes. Then you're just going to throw on your garlic, salt and pepper, oil, and then add those sprigs of basil. I kind of like to do the same amount of tomatoes as I do the amount of garlic and basil leaves, so that kind of gives you a 1-to-1 ratio. But if you like to garlic it up more, go right ahead. Then you just throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So all you're going to do is take it out for 10 minutes and just let it cool down, because once it's cool, grab the edges of the parchment paper and then bring it right up to your blender and simply just drop it in. It slides right off of the parchment paper. This is the no mess part, because once it's in the blender, you're going to make sure you have that lid on so that doesn't end up all over your kitchen. And then go ahead and plug your blender in and just start blending away. It is so quick and easy, and it is absolutely delicious on pasta. Now don't forget, just double check, take a little taste of it once you're finished, double check that it has enough salt and pepper in there for you, and voila, you have homemade fresh pasta sauce that you can put on anything. And don't forget to subscribe, because I have 2 new videos coming out, one on how to make fresh pasta and another one on how to make the world's best Caesar salad dressing. So subscribe today and those will end up right in your inbox as soon as they're ready.